Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac is a straightforward, simple-to-use, cloud-based application that offers excellent malware protection. Designed with novice Mac users in mind, it's a set-it-and-forget-it antivirus solution that allows very little settings customization once installed. Bitdefender's low-priority scanning ensures little to no impact on system performance. Even when running malware scans, you will barely know it's there. Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac connects to Bitdefender's cloud-based technologies for easy management and instant virus updates to detect and block the latest threats. There's very little to be confused about when using Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. Bitdefender's autopilot feature is automatically turned on upon installation, and while turned on, it applies an optimal security configuration and makes all security-related decisions for you. No backup software to ensure your data can be recovered, no Mac cleaning software to optimize your Mac, no firewall to protect your data. In an August 2017 malware detection test conducted by avcomparatives.org, Bitdefender scored a perfect 100% detection rate.